Hello children. So welcome back with our chapter number 13, chemical change and chemical bonding. In this chapter, up till now we have seen how chemical changes are being brought up in a lemon juice if we put soda, the type of reaction that is occurring, the sizzling sound that is coming, that express the chemical change, and the ingredients cannot be obtained back very easily. So citric acid, when added to alkali like sodium bicarbonate, will give out carbon dioxide gas, and certain salt like sodium citrate. Today we are going to see certain changes that we observe in our day-to-day life. Okay. Come to page number 90. Here you see many examples around us are going on in the home, in our surrounding, in our bodies. Many chemical changes are going on. So first of all, let us see natural chemical changes. Respiration that we do daily is a type of natural chemical change. What is happening in respiration? Let us try to understand that. Respiration is a continuously occurring biological process. Without respiration, we cannot survive. In that case, in this process, we inhale the air, take in the air, and exhale carbon dioxide, give out carbon dioxide that we do not want in our body, as well as certain water vapors. Excess of water is also released. After say on in-depth study, if we see what is respiration, it is studied that glucose in the cells, in each and every cell, what all glucose is there in our body, glucose in the cells, you see, they react with oxygen with the air that we have inhaled. So if we go for say a word equation, you can note down these equations. Glucose in each and every cell we all are having, that reacts with oxygen in the air that we have taken in while breathing, and what happens? What is given out? Carbon dioxide. This is the process of respiration. Carbon dioxide is given out, plus water is also given out in the form of vapor. Water is also given out in the form of vapor. So this is the natural process going on in our body. Are you trying to understand? Glucose in each and every cell react with oxygen, and that is what is happening in respiration. Carbon dioxide is given out and water is given out. If we now want to convert this word equation into chemical equation, in chemical equation, how will you write down? Chemical equation of the same word equation. Here you see glucose formula will be writing, then oxygen formula, with carbon dioxide and water. So glucose formula is C6H12O6 is your glucose. Please note down in your copies if you have. These equations are important. What is happening during respiration? This is again in much more details in 10th standard. So don't think that it is useless. Glucose react with oxygen. Oxygen everybody knows. O2. Then again on the arrow we have to write down respiration. What we are getting is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide formula, chemical formula is CO2. And along with CO2, water vapor, that is, water is also released. Water formula is H2O. So this way, you should be able to write down your own equations. Okay? For that purpose, I am giving. First, you write down the words and then write down the chemical equation. Next thing, another activity that we can do is take some freshly prepared lime water. That is calcium hydroxide, CaOH. Lime water is not lemon water. Lemon water is juice of lemon, नींबू का. But lime water means चूने का पानी. चूना, you know, calcium hydroxide, CaOH. So that water you have to take in a test tube. Then keep on blowing it with blow tube, any straw like tube you can take and keep on blowing in it. What is seen? If you try this at home also, take lime water and try to blow air in it, you will find that it turns milky. The color changes to milky, from clear to milky color. Colorless to milky, the lime water will change. After some more time, you will find that a white insoluble solid settles at the bottom of the test tube. This is the precipitation of calcium hydroxide. CaOH, चूना जो है वो नीचे बैठ जाता, precipitation हो रहा है. The turning milky milgot lime water means that blown gas mixes with this lime water and that gas was carbon dioxide. Whatever we are blowing with our mouth or nose out, that is carbon dioxide. How to test carbon dioxide gas? Blow it in lime water. चूने के पानी में blow करो. And you will find that it turns milky. Milky दिखेगा, not clear. And that is the equation for your carbon dioxide release while blowing. So we can write this equation also. What is happening? Carbon dioxide we are blowing from our mouth where into the lime water. Lime water is calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide is CaOH. OH alkali. Okay. What we are going to get in this equation? Why? Milk, this lime water is turning into milky water. Calcium carbonate is formed. What is formed is calcium carbonate. CaCO3, calcium carbonate is formed. I'm writing the formulas below. If you want to write the chemical equation, this is the word equation. इसके नीचे chemical equation you can write down using these formulas. And what else is released? Water. Water formula you all know? H2O. So this is simple test of carbon dioxide gas. In any reaction, anywhere, which gas is being released? If we want to know carbon dioxide hai ki nahi, in that case, we will be taking lime water and releasing that gas into it. If it turns milky, milky ho gaya means calcium carbonate is formed. Calcium from here mixes with carbon dioxide and calcium carbonate is formed and water is released again. Okay, so this proves that the gas coming out of our mouth and nose is carbon dioxide. Now another process in nature that is going on, this is respiration. About respiration we have written, and during respiration carbon dioxide gas is released. For that we tested with lime water. चूने का पानी बना के हमने टेस्ट कर लिया कि कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिलीज हो रहा क्या हमारे मुंह और नाक से. Okay, now another process naturally that is happening is after respiration that we are going to see is which one? That is your photosynthesis. Have you heard the word photosynthesis? सुना है क्या? In plants, they produce their food in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. That process is called as photosynthesis. In our body, in all animals and plants, their respiration is going on. Next step is your photosynthesis, naturally occurring chemical reaction. In photosynthesis, what is happening? Green plants perform photosynthesis in the presence of sunlight. A word equation and a chemical equation for the same can be written. In your primary class also, I think you have written the equation of photosynthesis. Have you done? Do you remember? If not remembering, let us write down the word equation first of all. Up till now we have seen respiration. Now we will be doing what reaction is happening, chemical change, chemical reaction happening during photosynthesis. Plants are making their food and all, we understand. But what exactly is happening, that we'll try to understand with the help of equation. Word equation. Here you see plants use carbon dioxide. Plants are using carbon dioxide. We use oxygen, give out carbon dioxide. Plants are using carbon dioxide and giving out oxygen. That's why plant and animals are living in harmony on this earth. Give and take is very much properly going on. So plants use carbon dioxide and water. Water they absorb from the soil with the help of roots. In presence of sunlight, if sunlight is not there, where in polar regions where there are snowfall for 8 months, plants cannot grow because photosynthesis will not occur. So they want sunlight as well as a green pigment in the plant. Green plants have a pigment called as chlorophyll. What gives green color to the plant? What is giving green color to the plant is chlorophyll. So sunlight and chlorophyll are very necessary for photosynthesis. In this process, what is prepared by the plant is again glucose. Plant is making glucose. Why don't you note it down? And oxygen gas is released. Oxygen we are using. Plants are giving oxygen. We are using oxygen. We are giving carbon dioxide. Plants are using carbon dioxide. So plants and animals are very much living together, dependent on each other. Now if I want to write down the chemical equation of the same. Chemical equation. How to write down? Carbon dioxide everybody knows by now. What is the formula? CO2 plus water is H2O. In presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, what is formed is glucose, the food that plant is making. Glucose formula C6H12O6. In respiration, you see, we were using glucose in the cell and oxygen, and plants are using carbon dioxide and water, which we release, and they are taking. And oxygen is given out. Oxygen gas. Gases we can write down an arrow up because it will be mixing with the atmosphere, and then animals can breathe in oxygen. These two natural chemical reactions that are daily going around us. Did you understand? Very important. In 10th again you will have respiration and photosynthesis. रेस्पिरेशन में जो यूज हुआ और बाय प्रोडक्ट दिया, फोटोसिंथेसिस में बाय प्रोडक्ट यूज हुआ and released what was used in respiration. So both the reactions are interdependent also on each other. Got it? So these two reactions for today you have to learn by heart for your higher class also and your this class also. Okay, next class we shall see some man-made chemical changes. These are the natural chemical changes going on in nature. अगले क्लास में देखेंगे man-made chemical changes. Okay then, bye all of you.